The World of Hyatt Chase credit card is out with its highest offer ever of 5 free nights for any category 1 through 4 hotel after spending $4,000 in your first 3 months of having the card. This is an absolutely great offer, so let's go over some examples on how to absolutely maximize those 5 free nights. Let's also go over all the main benefits the card has to offer, the point multipliers, and my final thoughts on how to absolutely maximize every single benefit from this card. Section 1, maximizing the sign-up bonus. Now, 5 free nights sounds amazing, but it's capped to category 4 hotels, which are just basically mid-tier hotels from Hyatt. Now keep in mind that the category level goes all the way up to 8, and these are like Hyatt's ultra luxury stays, so they cap you at 4, which is just kind of like mid-tier. Think of like your average $300 to $400 hotel room. Now category 4 hotels in the United States is just kind of whatever. Think of like your Hyatt places, your Hyatt Regencies that you could find in like a random strip mall near the freeway. But in Asia, specifically like Thailand or Vietnam or Japan, you get some really nice stays with just a category 4. For example, here's a resort that I found in Thailand that's marked as category 4, but literally looks like it gives you category 7 to 8 vibes. This resort has basic beach access, has beautiful rooms with a balcony, has your own personalized tub in your room, has an aquarium, and has a spa and fitness center. A room like this in Hawaii in the USA would cost you anywhere from probably like $400 to $500, even like $600 a night, and it's probably rated as a category 7 or 8 hotel in the US, and that's why I think it's so important to book it in places like Asia, because this category 4 is literally just as good. It offers the same value that these category 7 and 8 hotels have to offer. Another great place to use these free nights is going to be in Tokyo, surprisingly. Here is the Hyatt House in Tokyo, and if you know anything about Tokyo and the rooms in Tokyo, you know that they are tiny, and just by judging from these pictures, we can see that there's a lot of space. There's even like a little kitchen area in this Hyatt house. There's like a bathroom, a living room, and a bedroom. It's basically like a suite that you can get, and it's rated as category 4. Each night usually at the Hyatt House in Tokyo would cost you $555, and just for signing up for this card, you get 5 of these nights, giving you the value of $2,775, which is absolutely insane. This booking also comes with a beautiful pool on the property, some restaurants, and a lounge area for the guests to stay. Again, a suite like this would definitely cost you probably thousands here in the state, but if you're gonna book it in Asia, man, all you need is to get this card and get the sign-up bonus, and you get that 5 free nights certificate, which gives you access to 5 of these nights. So if you're planning to go to Asia soon for like a honeymoon or just for like a nice trip, I would definitely recommend getting this card, because 5 free nights is basically like half your trip. If you're gonna book for 2 weeks, that is a big portion of your trip that you're just saving. You don't have to pay a single cent for that, basically. So if you're going to Asia soon and you want to know some of the best Hyatt properties, comment down your destination below and I'll try to find the best properties that you can use with those 5 free nights. Section 2, the main benefits. Now the Hyatt credit card has an annual fee of $95, but let's see if the main benefits outweigh the cost of that $95. Now the biggest main benefit is that you get a free night reward capped again at category 4 every anniversary year of having the card. So once again, it is capped at a category 4 hotel, but like in that previous example before, we saw that a single night with a category 4 hotel can give you up to $555 in value, which definitely gives you a big profit against that $95 annual fee. Now you can earn another category 4 free night by spending $15,000 in your first year of having the card, which I guess is doable, but you're gonna have to spend all your money most likely on this one credit card to get that free night. So yeah, if you can manage to spend $15,000, well, you basically get 2 category 4 free nights just by having the card. Now this card also comes with complimentary discovery status, which gives you free room upgrades excluding suites. You get 2 p.m. late checkout, a 10% boost on your Hyatt spend, and you have waived resorts fees on any reward bookings that you have. You also get 5 qualifying nights just for having this card, and 2 qualifying nights every time you spend $5,000 on this card. Keep in mind, you need 30 qualifying nights if you want to hit Explorer status, and you need 60 qualifying nights if you want to hit Globalist status, which gives you the suite upgrades. So you need 25 more nights to hit Explorers with this card, and 55 more nights if you want to hit Globalist with this card. It's not much, but hey, it does help with getting status with Hyatt. Now it also comes with some pretty awesome protections. It comes with trip cancellation and interruption insurance, purchase protection, baggage delay insurance, no foreign transaction fees, lost luggage reimbursement, and auto rental collision damage waiver. And you get all of these benefits for just $95 in a year, which you can definitely profit out of if you spend just a single night at a Hyatt property, you would just get way more value than $95. I think if you love Hyatt and you just regularly stay at Hyatt properties, this card is literally a no-brainer for you. Section 3, the point multipliers. Like all hotel credit cards, this card has really great point multipliers for stays at their property. So if you find yourself already spending a lot at Hyatt properties, it is a no-brainer to get this card because it acts as a little rebate for all the hotel bookings you make with Hyatt. You get a 9 times multiplier on all of your hotel spend, which is pretty insane because that acts as like a almost 10% rebate on all the spend that you spend on Hyatt. You also get 2 times points for every dollar spent at restaurants, any airline tickets booked directly with the airline, any local transit and gym memberships. And then you get 1 times points for everything else. You also get 2 qualifying nights to add to your status level after you spend $5,000, and that $5,000 can be on anything. Now the point multipliers once again are going to be really great for Hyatt properties, but they're not going to be great for the other categories. For example, like restaurant spend, the Amex Gold does way better than that. So you're better off using cards that are meant for certain categories rather than just using this as a catch-all card. I think the only good category probably would be like fitness centers if you do spend a lot on gyms. Well, hey, it's like a 2 times multiplier there, so that's something. So overall, the point multipliers are just basically whatever on this card. But like I said, if you're a huge Hyatt fanboy like me, this card is a no-brainer to get. So what is my final verdict on this card? Well, I think that Hyatt is definitely the best hotel chain out there because Hyatt points are just so valuable, and let me explain why. When you look at other hotel chains like Marriott or Hilton, a standard $300 room night would go for anywhere from like 50,000 to 100,000 points just for a single night. But that same night with a Hyatt property would only cost you anywhere from 10,000 to 15,000 points, which is way more reasonable. As for higher end stays, that would cost you 40,000 to 45,000 Hyatt points, which would get you rooms that would cost you anywhere from like 2,000 all the way up to $2,500 a night. I mean, these are like really luxury stays for only 45,000 points. Hyatt points are literally the best credit card currency out there when it comes to hotels because they just give you some really awesome stays. If you don't want to spend like tons of money on really luxury stays, but you still want to go to those luxury stays, Hyatt is going to be the answer for you. And this is my situation here. I do love these luxury stays. I think they make your trips so nice. It really just elevates your trip when you just look at a hotel room and you're like, wow, this is amazing. And that's what I did in Paris this year. I booked 4 nights at the Park Hyatt in Paris that would generally cost me anywhere from $9,000 to $10,000, but instead I just used 160,000 Hyatt points, which is a way better deal. Plus, this card comes with Discover status. That means I got a free room upgrade, which is it just made my experience that much better. And to top it all off, they're being super generous with that sign-up bonus. I mean, 5 free nights is an amazing deal. And like I said, use it in Asia and you will get those ultra luxury nights for the cost of a category 4 hotel. So if you really want to get into the hotel credit card game and get some status with some hotel, I think that this is going to be the best option for you because it's just such a keeper card. I mean, every year you get a free night and that sign-up bonus is just so amazing. It can literally fuel an entire vacation for you. So I'll make sure to put the offer for that 5 free nights down in the comment section below or in my description. So make sure to check it out. Make sure it says 5 free nights. Don't apply for it unless you see those 5 free nights. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions you have about this card. Hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one.